Kia ora team, big update. We're stoked to have installed 3 new cams for the Bad Plenty Frothers this week. Massive thanks for the support. And the one and only 11-time world champ Kelly Slater officially has a GSN subscription. Mihi nui to his core lord golf caddy Ruben for showing the goat. Righto, there's plenty of swell this weekend. More chunky southwest swells coming out of the Southern Ocean Wave factory. A bit of northeast section too, with a large onshore wind field. Out to see the in-depth analysis and our growing collection of Kiwi-owned cams are at goodsurfnow.co.nz. Alright, northeast coast, the surf all weekend from a wannabe low. The fetch has a nice angle and length though, which is what is creating the waves peaking at 1.5 meters ish on Saturday, some of which could filter into Orewa and them. The wind forecast has changed a bit and it is uncertain. It's odds on for southeasterlies I reckon in Northland, which means the north facing breaks will be cleaner. The exposed beaches will be a bit cross onshore. Coromandel and Bay of Plenty possibly score lighter winds and maybe even some sneaky offshores there. Check the cams, could be on. West coast at first glance looks pretty mellow, but there's a chunky swell coming up the Tasman from the deep south. That swell builds Saturday in the South Island, peaking Sunday up to 2 meters, then builds Sunday, peaking Monday in the North Island, slightly bigger there, up to 2.5 meters. Because of the size, some of the more misto breaks could be worth a look. In particular on Sunday, the forecast for the reefs and points north of Taranaki are really starting to shape up for a good few days. The beaches might be a little bit overpowered. That same southwest swell also clobbers the Catlins and up to Otago. There's some tasty looking forecasts for that whole zone. You just got to do a little dance with the wind as it bounces around a bit. I reckon Sunday Arvo's the one. The swell should also skim both Banks Peninsula and Palliser Wairarapa to a lesser extent, but otherwise it looks to go past much of the coast because of the sharp southwest angle, i.e. you're grovelling elsewhere. There are a few other bits of info over on the in-depth, plus all the cams closing in on 20. Come join us, $3 a month. It's a no-brainer. You.